everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to start crocheting in the round with an adjustable loop, also known as the magic ring. It's one of the very first techniques I learned when I first started making amigurumi, and it really is the best way to start your toys. I'm using single crochet stitches as an example here, which is double crochet in the UK and Australia, because it's most often used when making amigurumi. But you can use this method to start any project that's crocheted in the round, like hats, rugs or baskets. If you're working with taller stitches like half double, double or triple crochet stitches, you start the round with a taller chain as you would normally. But first let me show you a couple of alternatives and why I love the magic rings so much. Here we chained 4, slip stitched in the first chain to form a ring, and then crocheted the first round into the ring. Another way is to chain 2 and then crochet the first round into the first chain. As you can see, they both have quite a large hole in the middle. But if we start with an adjustable loop, we can pull the center tightly closed. So, let's get started. Take your yarn and wrap it loosely around your fingers to make a loop, so the working yarn goes over the yarn tail. Hold the joint between your thumb and forefinger and have the working yarn behind the ring. Now take a hook and go through the ring front to back. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Hold both sides of the ring you just made between your finger and thumb and holding the working yarn as you would normally. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. We will be working our first round, which is 6 single crochet stitches in this case, through the loop and over the yarn tail. Adjust the loop on your hook so it's not too tight. It's easier to work into the ring if you hold both sides of it between your thumb and forefinger. Go through the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook, completing your first single crochet stitch. Repeat this again, going through the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Work a total of 6 single crochet stitches into the ring and over the yarn tail. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pull on the loop to stretch it out a little so we don't lose it, and you can remove your crochet hook now. Hold your last stitch between your fingers, grab the yarn tail and pull until the loop is tightly closed. You can pull it as tight as you can so it doesn't come undone. If you're crocheting in joined rounds, you can now slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and start the next round with a chain. But because I'm crocheting in spiral here, I can skip that and go straight into the first stitch and complete the second round, working 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. And here we have it, the perfect magic ring with no hole in the middle. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments below and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.